Hey everyone, if you're getting a BlueStacks Engine Error on your PC, don't worry. In this full 2026 guide, I'll show you the best ways to fix engine startup problems, crashes, and loading errors step by step. First, restart your computer and try launching BlueStacks again. Yeah, temporary system glitches or stuck background services can sometimes trigger engine errors. Next, right-click the BlueStacks shortcut and select Run as administrator. This allows the emulator to access required system resources properly. One of the biggest causes of engine errors is disabled virtualization. So, enter your BIOS settings and make sure Intel VTX or AMD-V virtualization is enabled. Some antivirus programs, overlays, or virtualization tools may interfere with the BlueStacks engine, so close unnecessary apps before opening BlueStacks again. If the engine error still appears, uninstall BlueStacks completely and install the newest version from the official website. Corrupted files can sometimes break the engine permanently. And that's basically how to fix BlueStacks engine errors in 2026. Yeah, after applying these fixes, the emulator should launch normally and run much smoother on your PC. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.